Hello, everyone. Grand Nubian here. Welcome back to another episode of ICARUS Dangerous Horizons. Thank you for sharing your time with me. Thank you to all of you that showed up for the last video and gave it some love. I truly appreciate it. It really does help me get me out there. As you can see, we are not where we ended the last episode. Why ain't nobody telling me this? Everything on this map was trying to kill me. Like, everything. I thought the gribblers were cool. Nope, they ain't cool. Skulks ain't cool. Slinkers. Don't even get me started on them things. Anyway, quick recap. In the last episode, we landed. I kind of got my feet wet. Built a little shack, and that was that. So yeah, so I ended that video. You know, went, had some lunch. Figured I'd jump back on, write out some materials for a second episode, and proceeded to get my ass handed to me. Like 2 hours. I couldn't get anything done, especially the slinkers, man. They were just coming out of nowhere. So, yeah. So I was like, you know what? We gotta move bases because they just destroyed everything for one. I went back up to the mothership. I actually bought some armor. And if you see the right side of the screen right now, that little yellow figure means that my armor is almost depleted already. That's how much fighting I've been doing. So I ended up going up, getting my stuff, bringing down the pistol, and decided to move. And I brought us here. I've got a little something I've been fighting to build. And I've done some exploring and kind of just in general leveled up and just got a bunch of stuff done that was kind of boring and not worth putting, recording and putting out there. But I figure now we can get some stuff done for a video. As you can see with the map, I opened up a bunch. Yeah, this is where we landed. I still got 2 death plots over there, but they didn't really have it in, like, I think it was like fiber and stuff in them, so I didn't really, not really concerned about going and picking them up right now. But yeah, so this is where we were, and I, after just getting my butt whooped, I just said, okay, I gotta get out of there. So I ran out, came up around here, found this little lake, and I'm like, okay, bigger lake. And you know what I mean? Just farther into the map rather than tucked in over there. So I came up, started building here, and just been battling to keep it. And then I got bored, waiting, dying actually. So I just started running. I got bored with dying all the time. So I just started running. And I figured, you know what, there's got to be something better. Found the desert, ran around, found Eden. So as soon as I found Eden, I ran in there. I was like, ran up to the interface, about to bring a mount down, and realized I didn't even have a saddle for him. And trying to get any one of my mounts to follow me all the way back around, all the way back to here, because this is where base is right now, was not gonna happen. So I didn't bring down the mount. I came back to base, and here we are. But I am now ready to go get one of the mounts. Kind of built this area for them. I built out. I'm sure I'm gonna close this gap at some point. I have all, I shouldn't say still, but I have, yeah, as you can see, most of the stuff unlocked with the character already. I just built it. So yeah, herbalism, salting, textiles. Up here's furnace. Up here's kind of cramped. As soon as I extend it out, I'll have more room. But yeah, masonry bench, oxide, I'm up to machining bench. And right now I'm just grinding to get back up to tier 4 to be able to get to tier 4 stuff. Start using electricity and whatnot. In hindsight, honestly, probably bringing in a low level character was not advised. Not the best idea, but here we are. And I'm gonna stick with them. I'm not gonna switch characters and bring down a higher level character. I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get her done. So this guy's up to level 25. So yeah, how much longer will be into tier 4, and I can start really getting into electricity and really getting into some stuff here. Actually, while I'm here, need to unlock that. Unlock that, because I have been making gunpowder. Obviously, I brought the pistol down, so I'm just making gunpowder and ammo. I think I'm ready to move on to rifles. I'll worry about... I don't even think I can find any of these ores here, so I'm not going to worry about that. Explosive ammo, I might see if there's a way to dabble into. But, yeah. I've unlocked quite a few things. Let's get the carpentry bench unlocked. Fortifications. I gotta do some more grinding for materials. But I don't want to go too nuts on this build because I have a feeling I will find somewhere else on this map that I'm gonna want to build. So when I get to that point, I don't want to have to take too, you know what I mean? I want to have to jump on the game and spend 3 hours trying to transport everything. So, for now... Oh, wait, I forgot the... I have a ranching bench. Come on. There we go. I have a ranching bench made. That down. And then we'll see about a saddle and a bed. I should have enough supplies for a saddle and a bed. Hopefully. Oh yeah, it must be placed outside. Do I have room underneath? I do have room under here. At least it's kind of out of the way. No need to spin it. Eventually, like I said, made fortifications. So I'm just kind of looking at where I want to put them. So put a couple down. I don't really have the material to make a bunch of them, so that's all I have to do for now. Oh, I didn't unlock the bed, did I? Animal bed, there we go. So, fur, rope. Got plenty of leather. Fur might be an issue. I can make rope. I have a bunch of spider silk I can make rope with, so I'm not too worried about that. Just make 20 for now. Fur. Oh, we have plenty of fur. Let's bring another leather down there. But I probably... My math ain't mathing, so I probably don't have enough to make both things. Oh, where am I going? And I'm lost. Lost in no math skills. A true noob. Alright, we'll bring the saddle with us. So I may pause up to run to get to Eden just because it's so far away from here. I'm sure you guys would love to watch me fight to survive to get out there, but it's really a long run. What am I doing? See? Lost. Just lost. Even and confused. Sheesh. That's all. That'll work. And the saddle comes with me. Crap, I didn't unlock their food. Yeah, water trough, food trough. I'm just bringing down one mountain for now. Need to unlock the cart. Where are you, cart? Farming carts, wooden cart. Ah, that's right. They make you unlock the bovine harness first. I'm gonna need it. Alright, let's get the sun back. And then make sure I've got what I need. In the snow biome, so I can't put my water in my suit or else I'll freeze. I haven't organized anything. Everything is everywhere, so you have to bear with me. Not gonna need those anymore. Bone. Let's put the bone in here. I've been making epoxies. Speaking of, I haven't unlocked copper wire yet. I was about to say, like, I'm gonna take all the copper in there and start making wire. I better wait till my next level up. Only got 1 point. Yeah, 1 point left. What was I doing? I was putting bone in there. Let's refill the oxygen before I go. I did craft some pouches. I have 2 extra waters and an extra oxygen because the desert does drain you quick. I like that they made the biomes a lot more like, well, the 2 biomes I've been in so far, I like, you actually kind of really do need to consider making the appropriate armor for each biome. For armor for the, you know, snow, the desert one for the desert, so on and so forth. I do like that. Like the other maps, I mean, didn't really feel like you needed them. But me running around this desert, it's like, holy crap, I kind of actually need to make that. But I'm not going to because I don't have the resources or have it unlocked. So there's that. We'll survive. I have 2 extra waters. Alright. Enough dilly-dallying. What do I need? What? I do not need all that leather with me. Can't put it there. Can put it here. Oh, don't need the rope. This is coming with me. Don't need the sticks. I'll bring the wood and the fiber. Because the desert doesn't have a lot of wood and fiber. I'll grab some on the way out there. Because I do want to make a little outpost out in the desert. Because there's so much map. And this snow biome, this seems to be limited to right here. I mean, it may stretch out to there, but I don't really want to find out. I don't like the cold. So, yeah. Let's bring a full 100 stack of wood. Just have extra. If I run into any more iron while I'm out there, I need to get iron, so really need to try and not bring too many things with me. Got rope in here. How much rope? Oh, I had 10 rope in there. Huh. I'll bring that with us. Let's put this in there. Let's put them both in there. Yeah, that works. We're good. Kind of good on iron for now. I can build a few things when we get back. Let's pack my tools before I go. I need bone for that. Can't repair my gear. I do have an extra set of bone armor I made, but I'm not gonna break that out until I have to. I'd have to run all the way back south to the drop ship in order to... Actually, you know what? When we get to Eden, we'll see if I can use the interface to send my armor back up. If I can. Oh, should I bring my bone armor with me in case? Actually, yeah, let's do that. Because if I can send this armor back up, no problem pausing up and... or doing a little pause for the cause and going back out to the main menu and repairing it, sending it back down. Actually, no, that's not gonna work. That might not work because if I go back up to repair it, I'm gonna end up way the hell down there. Oh wait, I think in the mothership sells those things that you can beacons so you can summon the dropship. Add that to the list. All right, let's. Do I see if do I have enough salt for that before I bring it with me? Nope. Do any hiding? Nope. All right. And I've said this before. If you watch my ICARUS videos and you know my gripe with these things, they don't work. And I get it. Like, it can't work too well because then you'll never upgrade it, which I fully understand. But come on. It doesn't stop. I know it's a simple creature deterrent. It's simple. But it hasn't simply stopped anything yet. Even gribblers come running up if they see me. And they'll be like out here staring at me and then just start running at me. Alright, y'all. I am going to pause for the cause because this run's gonna be a really long one. So I will see y'all back in 2 shakes of lamb's tail. Alright, y'all. We're here. Eden. I found it. It's pretty cool out here. I was thinking I should just build a big ass base right in front of there. I don't know if I build a main base. I don't know if I said it earlier, but I think I'd rather find a forest biome if this map has one. I think it does right about there. So the plan from here is we get one of the mounts. I want to ride this way. On other maps, there are caves that will connect biomes. And first episode, when we first landed, there was a cave down in here that I never went to. So I'm wondering, maybe there's a cave over here that connects to there. Maybe this cave connects to that one. But anyway, we're gonna take the mountain ride down here Probably come around. Come back out. See what we can kind of trouble we can get into. Now, when it comes to bringing down mounts, I mean, there's no question which one I bring down. It's gotta be Falcor. Or Tusker. Oh yeah, so I forgot I wasn't recording the first time I came in here. Alright. Anti-hangover elixir, uranium, water, flour, sugar. Won't be hungover anymore, you'll be dead. That's a good one. This group 15 means there are 14 other groups we also have to find. Who are you? Theo, Lieutenant of ICARUS Inquisition, a hired gun added to the team by the UDA.
You ever get the feeling we're just waiting for the next fight?
Yeah, on this frickin' map. So yeah, I can't use any of this. First time I came in here, I was so excited to be able to bring a mount down that I just kind of ran straight up to the interface. Didn't really look around.
Let me check inventory.
Logistics officer land. UDA assigned officer who deals with the import and export of resources from Eden. Alright. It's back here. Who are you?
God, have you ever seen such a good hammer?
Quartermaster Nev. UDA assigned officer who deals in the creation and assembly of equipment in Eden. Alright. Can I trade with these guys? That'd be sweet. ICARUS, head scientist of the ICARUS, head scientist of the ICARUS, I don't know, Inquisition, formerly part of the UDA terraforming team with Mo. Alright. Assuming there's a Mo around here. Let's go up the stairs, see what's up. Can't go in the doors. Where does this go? Who are you? Culinary specialist Charles. UDA assigned specialist who deals in all manner of food cooking and preparation. Oh, I can trade with him. Micro meal, go. Oxygel, gruel. Oh, do I bring these in? Or can I? Huh. Am I gonna earn Ren on this map or something? Like, you can never spend your Ren on the map. Like, you know what I mean? Before. I'm assuming that I bring this stuff down from the mothership and trade it to him. Could be wrong. Probably wrong. Let me know in the comments. What does he do? How do I trade with him? Do I bring that stuff in, or do I bring that stuff down and trade it with him? Victor, head of operations for the ICARUS Inquisition, formerly stationed back on Earth.
If you're not watching your back, I'll be watching it for you.
Sweet. Where you guys been this whole time? I could have used you. I can't read binary. Intercepted a memo from TPS HQ. They're moving most operations to remote drone. Blah, blah, blah. They're moving most operations to remote drone operators down here. Something has them spooked, but they're still a pain in my ass. They always seem to be one step ahead. I'll have the location of a base figured out. And then nothing but drones. It's like there goes. Alright.
careful.
I will. Mo, head of the ICARUS Inquisition, formerly part of the UDA terraforming team at first cohort.
I've been in worse situations than this.
Alright. We all owe Saul. No info for me. Theodore Carter. Victor Smith. Respect. Okay, so that's the people I just met. What's that?
So? Hey, it's Mo. Yeah, it's secure. How are things? I hope the media are behaving themselves. Come on, I bet you're loving the limelight. Yeah, I've got most of the team assembled. The UDA insisted on throwing some meathead into the mix, though. Oh, crap, I've got another call coming in. I have to take this. Don't worry about me, I'll be fine. You too, buddy. All right, bye.
Interesting. I just tried to pick up that fiber. Dossier on TI members. File on each member of the ICARUS Inquisition. Dossier on TI members. Dr. Iris Blake checked in. Critical success. Victor Flynn checked in. Will provide valuable intel regarding TPS and their methods. Theo Carter checked in. UDA mandatory hire from ACS. Word things cautiously around him. Old friend not checked in. Identity withheld for security reasons. Note. Remember to apologize for that lava hunter incident. Okay. Thanks for the hire, M. Not many know my background, but I trust you not to share with the group. We wouldn't want anyone going overboard. V. Victor? Maybe? I need to eat something. So that's a mission board. Alright. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Alright. Plus equipment. We want... Oh. Oh, there we go. There's Falcor. I don't need to bring that. Movement speed. Maybe I do bring one of these down. Nah. It's not my movement speed that I'm worried about right now. It's the stamina regen that I need to get up. There's Falcor. Now, in the past, there's been, I don't know, glitch, I guess, where my mounts will get stuck in place while that thing's there. He's moving around, so maybe not. You know what? I'm gonna send my gear back up so I can fix it. Just bone armor for now. Oh. Yeah. After I'm done recording this video, I can always... I'm gonna have to hoof it to the drop ship. Oh, sweet. He's moving. Oh, hello. Yeah. That's all I can send up there. I mean, I could send the gun and the bow, but... Oh, I didn't bring... the axe. The axe is back at base. Could have sent that up to fix, too. Oh. Ah, it's about to be nighttime. I can't put a bed down in here, can I? Oh, I don't have my bed. It's in the cave. That's right. I have a cave back over in this area. That's where the bed is. Might have to just be hoofing it in the dark. Yeah, we had to bring Falcor down here. We need an animal that can throw his weight around, not a moa that's gonna get eaten alive, literally. What do we got going out here? I highly doubt there will be any cave entrances over here, but I had to check. It'd be sweet to just be able to go right around and not have to go right all the way back. Speaking of riding back, I still have to figure out. I gotta make ramps to get him through here. I mean, I don't know. There could be a pass on this side. I never opened it up, so I don't have no idea. But that's a long ride to get back there. To get over there. Riding that way, I might as well just take the way I went back and build ramps. Oh, build it. I'm dumb. I have wood in my damn bag. I have wood in that satchel. I have 100 wood in that satchel. I'm a dumbass. What do we got? Oh, I was hoping that was like an opening to a cave or something. You're gonna have to catch me first, bruh. There's the boars. Oh, whoa, I don't want to know what you were. Come on, Falcor. Fly, Falcor, fly. Agave. Okay. Alright, let's just cut that way. Yeah, we gotta get this dude back to base. We gotta get him back to base. I gotta fortify the base more. Definitely fortify where I'm gonna be keeping him. Because those freaking slinkers. Oh, did I say earlier? So slinkers have juveniles, and you can in fact tame them. I thought that I need to buy the DLC, but I do not. So we are definitely taming a slinker. Definitely. Fight fire with fire, man. So throw slingers at me, I'm gonna throw slingers back at ya. It's funny that you can't just run right through that. Alright, the sun should be back up soon. Well, now that we have him, we can definitely do more exploring of the desert. Actually, let's get back over here because I have water. Oh, water thing over there by that cave. Did I ride right past it and not see it? Probably. Yep. Oh, I got a lot of stuff out here already. I need more of that back at base and that. Can I leave out? You know what? I can. Sheesh. I really leave that much wood burning? I could use it for ammo. Give it to him since it's so heavy. What else? I got so much just random stuff in my backpack, it's crazy. I'll leave the sugar cane, guano. I don't really have the benches to do. Use that stuff. I'll bring the copper wire for sure. What can I keep here? Oh, wait, hold on. Let's see if this cooks before I leave. I just throw all this stuff in there. I actually have was it that wooden composter I built back at base? Just because I had so much leftover meat, nothing to do with all, yeah, takes up so much space. I just been putting the excess in there, letting it spoil. All right. I just ate it. I didn't even read it. 10 food, 10 water. 30 maximum health. Not bad. Oh, because it's raw food. This stuff I can probably just dump. Yeah. All this stuff I can use back at base pretty much. Other stuff I can just eat. Actually, this is probably going to spoil before I even get back to base. Oh. Let's go get some iron. I don't know if I want to leave him. just chilling like this. I can get him in the mouth of the cave. He should be alright. Actually, good. I'm gonna need all this stone when I get back to camp anyway. Let's see, can you fit? Ha, make it fit. Just turn this off so it doesn't burn. My luck, you'd just catch on fire or something. Or I would catch on fire. I hear bees. Copper. Ooh, hello. Have I even seen any of those yet? Sure I have. And he hit me with that? Crazy. Alright, beehive is back there. Oh, two. Oh. Come here. Come here. Us. Got him. Alright, iron. Gimme. Actually, let's see one of these. Yeah, faster swing speed, look at that. I'm gonna take as much iron as I can carry. Maybe squeeze in a little copper so that I have it. Because that copper goes quick once you start making copper wire. Coal, nice. Maybe I'll take one coal if I can fit it. I can be over encumbered riding the mount, riding Falcor. He can't be over encumbered else. Ah, oh, damn it. Cave lung. Let's go hand this off to him. Check on him, make sure he's not getting attacked. He's good. Yeah. Maybe I leave one of those stacks of coal here. It's not like I don't have a campfire at the other base. What? Let me just get in the box, bro. There. Now I'm inside him. What's going on? Pause. Might have to edit that out. Alright, why is he? He might be. No, is he taking heat damage? I guess he's taking damage again, but Unless he stepped in the... No. It's weird. Anyway. Yeah, I did see another one over there. Two more. Actually, I have talent points. I should use increase yield. Is there a decrease? See, I want to use Lucky Strike, but not yet. Not yet. Did I? Okay, there we go. That's what I want. I probably should have saved 1 point for something, but well. Base health regen. Anything more stamina I can use. Actually, food boost. Actually, no, let's get base health regen going. Then we'll do food boost persist longer on the next one. Alright. I'm hitting gold. I don't need gold. Too late now. I forgot I got cave lung. Oh, he's getting attacked. No. He's all passive. Wow, my aim sucks. So much going on. Take it all. How is he? He's not bad. He's tough. He's tough. I'm bleeding. Why didn't that work? Oh, is that the suture kit one? No, right? Yeah, use it. Oh, I didn't finish the animation. There we go. All right. Any more iron? Yes. And the bees regen. Maybe if I don't go back there in the cave, they won't. Famous last words. Stay back there, bees. So let me get this one last iron. Maybe a little bit of copper. Oh, sweet, level up. I gotta use talent. I gotta use blueprint points to unlock copper wire. And I need to unlock gold wire and electronics. So we need to get into tier 4. And once I'm in tier 4, I'm gonna need that stuff. So it is for tier 3 that I unlock them, correct? Yep, gold wire. Since I'm here. forgot I unlocked that. Should have enough steel now. Cured leather. I don't think I have cured leather unlocked. You know what? We'll deal with that later. I'm gonna get back to base. Can't do nothing about it now anyway. I'm gonna be a little bit cucumbered, but it's alright, right in the beast. You know what? I got a decent amount of copper. Well, not decent, but I already have some copper, so let's get a move on. Anything else I want to bring? Nope. Let's give him that. Ooh, that puts me under. Sweet. Not enough to go back and get more. Right, he's hot. Didn't work out well, did it? So can I reverse out? Come on, let me reverse out. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna put him on defensive. At least he defends himself. I just don't want to have him on defensive and he runs off and starts picking fights. Alright, so I'm gonna ride this way. Start getting back to base. Anyway, you know what, guys? I think I'm gonna end the episode here because now I gotta build freaking ramps to get him back, which sucks. So yeah, I'm gonna end the episode here. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I really, really do appreciate you showing your time, sharing your time, rather. Oh, sweet. Now there's a storm. All right. I got to get a move on. Thanks, guys. I will see y'all in the next video. Aloha.